Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is about removing the ransomware called ZeroCool. My video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will just show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files. You've just clearly seen that before the ransomware attack, we were able to open our files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the computer system, this ZeroCool ransomware may be easily injected into the device. And so, when people try to open the files, they notice that this ZeroCool additional extension was appended to the file names. And removing this extension manually still does not fix the issue. The files are still damaged and encrypted. The ransomware drops this ransom note, indicating that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner for this purpose. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and once it is successfully installed, start researching your computer. The program is initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available in the trial mode, so click on the Start Scan button. Most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware or other types of threats. So then, after the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, the software begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Let me emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It has got anti-ransomware feature. It helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data. But Combo Cleaner does not decrypt the files. And there is no any other antivirus, by the way, which would be able to decrypt these files. But I need to mention this clearly once again. Combo Cleaner does not offer file decryption services. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Some threats can be removed manually, of course, but my strong recommendation is that you consider upgrading to Premium. With Premium license, your data will always be under the protection, and in the description to the video, you may find a special link which will give you more facts about this ransomware, and also it will give you some recommendations on how to possibly protect your files and to decrypt your files possibly.